guys? Bigfoot here. All right, trendsetters, Bigfoot here, live from the wilderness. Today, Yeti and I are diving into nature's hottest new arrivals. Our first unboxing. This beauty just appeared overnight. What secrets does it hold? Gotta be gentle. You don't want to damage the contents. This is a delicate operation.
For our tech segment, I present the Smart Stone. Smooth, ergonomic, fits perfectly in your hand.
Quite stylish.
And for our grand finale, the latest weather trend. This cloud formation definitely says sunny with a chance of mystery.
And that's a wrap on Nature's Unboxing. We faced challenges, but we delivered. Stay wild, stay trendy, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye.